Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's which discussions is trapezoidal rule plot, okay, using pi. So here I will present a short Python program which approximates the area bounded by the curve y equal to fx cos h 4x. The x-axis, the lines x is equal to x is equal to 0 to 5, okay, x is equal to 0 to 5 means a equals to 0, x equals to 0 to 5. This is the integral of fx from 0 to 5. Here we subdivide the interval 0 comma 5 into 8 equals intervals. In my program I choose capital N equals to 8, okay, and variable h is equal to 5 by 8. So gives the width of each interval. Next we consider the trapezoids whose bottom as the interval x1 and x2, where x2 minus x1 is equal to width whose top is the line segment fxi and fxi plus 1. Note that the indefinite integral has the value of cos h4x so that cos h4x is equal to 4 into sin h4x, okay, indefinite integral sin h4x, okay, 4 into sin h4x divided by 4, okay, indefinite integral of the cos hx dx is equal to sin h4x divided by 4, okay. So the definite integral has the value sin h4x x 4 into 5 means sin h20, sin h20 divided by 4 minus sin h0 divided by 4. Sin h0 means 0, okay, sin h0 equal to 0. So I get only sin h20 divided by 4. This is my value, okay. So if FABS is equal to absolute values, okay, and here I use import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plot, and import math as a math, and f equals to lambda x such that math.cos h4x and a equals to 0 and b equals to 5. So x is equal to np dot line space a comma b n plus 1, because the line space a comma b, this is the Python rule, okay. And for loop you will check, this is the for loop, this is the for loop indentation, and this is the plot title trapezoidal rule and plot show. So my answer is, this is my answer, okay, this is my answer is and this is my graph. I get this graph from my Python loop. Thanks for watching.